Hi Aquarius, hope you're doing well and looking forward to a great month of June 2020. I'll be doing your tarot card reading for the month of June 2020. Please subscribe to my channel so that I'm getting encouragement to keep doing these videos for you. So, for the way I'm going to start doing the reading is I'm going to start by telling you what your current energies are and what they should be. Then we start your reading after that. So let's see what your current energies are for Aquarius for the month of June 2020. What are the current energies for Aquarius for June 2020? Modesty. So basically, Aquarius, you are in a situation right now where you are using immense amount of integrity and humility in your association with people, in the situation that you might be. Your attitude should be, this is the current energy, so hopefully this is what you're abiding by, because this is what the universe is expecting from you right now, is a huge amount of humility and good virtues, good behavior, an attitude towards the good of all, and that will bring about good amount of fruitful things for you, because an attitude makes a big difference. So if you are humble and good in your approach, then you will attract the humble and modest approach from other people also. So whatever you're giving out is what you get back in return. So this seems to be the current energy that you are in. And one more card for the energy that should be what you should in. Okay, there's one, and that says innocence. So this means that not only are you going to maintain the humility and the modesty and the attitude which encourages um, a good and a subtle behavior, where your main objective is to maintain a cordiality with everyone, and what it should gradually shift to is a sense of being childlike. Innocence is about being childlike, it's about being naive. When you're being naive, you are open to experiences where the situation is unknown, and you're very open to the unknown and the uncertainties in a very positive way. Whereas if we deal in a situation where we use too much of our mind, then we tend to think too much. Whereas in innocence, you just need to take a leap of faith and just be yourself, be a child, be childlike, be happy, and just hoping for the best, and without any preconceived notions or apprehensions, just move ahead towards whatever it is that hopefully you'll be getting to. So before I start your reading, I'll pick up some one rune for you that will help me give you a better idea before I start your tarot card reading. So give me one rune for Aquarius for the month of June 2020. You have the rune of Jira. This rune is basically a rune of achieving whatever it is that you want, but it's going to take some time. Your harvest season is going to take a while, so before things come to fruition, it's going to take time. So I think that use your humility, use the modesty, use a childlike approach, and hope for the best in the situation. Don't have too many preconceived notions, and things will eventually fall into place, but it's not going to happen immediately. It's going to take some time. when you are sowing seeds, then it takes time for it to come to harvest. So you have already sown the seeds of whatever project or endeavor or situation that you are in, and the seeds are of modesty, the seeds are of humility, and the seeds are of a childlike kind of a passion. Emotions are very innocent. So these are the seeds that you have currently put, and now you have to just sit back and wait for things to take its own natural course and come to fruition when the time is right. So this is for the time being your energies and what the rune has to say for you, and this is the basic what you need to keep in mind. Now we get into your tarot card reading. So what is the reading saying for Aquarius for the month of June 2020? What are the energies for Aquarius for the month of June 2020? Chariot. Superb. So somehow I feel that, Aquarius, when you have taken the mental stability to handle a situation with modesty and innocence, that itself indicates that you have reached a situation which has empowered you to get focus on what it is that you really desire, and now take time to get into full gusto and with extreme amount of determination. Take courage to move ahead in a direction which you have been waiting for, which you feel is the right direction to take. You've possibly made a choice between two paths in a situation, and now it is time for you to take some action on that situation, and building up the strength using the determination and moving forward. So the energy of the month begins with moving forward with determination after having made some choice. What are the other messages for Aquarius for the month of June 2020? So this has been crossed by the Emperor, and so I feel that either this is you or somebody else in the situation who is helping you take this course of action. This chariot is not something that comes very easily, so it must have taken immense amount of maturity and leadership skills in order for you to achieve this, or you might be helped by someone in authority, an elderly figure, a father figure, a boss, or someone in higher authority who has the the courage and the intelligence, the leadership skills to help you in attaining what it is that you are desirous. So either this is you or somebody else who is helping you influence the situation. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June 2020? The High Priestess is above you. So now why the high Priestess I link with this rune of Jera? Because this indicates that there is something still yet to happen. Some events are yet to be unfolded before you, which will play a vital role in you reaching your goals. So since this is not in the immediate future, and it's going to take a while for you to attain what it is that you want, The High Priestess crowning you is giving you an indication that you need to use your intuition, follow your gut, your instincts, and that will help you through this difficult phase and attaining whatever it is that you desire with amount of modesty and innocence, because the whatever you have set yourself out for doing is not immediate. So it is when you're going through a period where situations take time to come to fruition, the best friend that you have is yourself. So guide yourself through your intuitions and whatever it is that your gut feeling is telling you. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of June 2020? So what you have in your recent past is the Four of Swords. So recently you might have come out of a situation where you have taken your time to rejuvenate from after having been through some difficult situations. Possibly you could have also been ill for some time, and now you have recovered from that illness. That is why you have taken the Chariot, where you've overcome the situation and moving on with determination. But the recent past has shown you the Three Swords, indicating that you have been through a rather turmoilic situation, and now it's time for you to just rest, to sit back and build up, recharge your batteries before you can come back. And you did that, and you did come back, because you begin the month with the Chariot. So this is possibly the energy that you carry forward towards the end of May. And let's see a quick analysis of what were the energies in your past, possibly in the month of May, which might have triggered the situation. Four of Wands. Excellent. So there might have been a situation where you were involved in some kind of a celebration, a family event, a social gathering, something coming to fruition, friendships, reunions, spending time with family, because this was a lockdown period for most of the people. So, happy home and taking care of home, building things. So, a lot of family activities. So, all this was there in the agenda, which now you're just taking a break from that, and whatever energies you got from the Four of Wands, that is from the family, from the social circle. This could also be networking like Facebook or YouTube, where there's immense happiness. However, this does mostly involve around domestic situations. So mostly family and happy home. So that was the past energies that were there, and then you chose to. If there were any difficulties in that situation, you kind of chose to recuperate from them, and then you came forward and came into these energies. So that was the past, possibly the month of May, and now this is where we're heading towards. So what is the next probable thing that you're going to be encountering in the month of June 2020? For Aquarius, what is the next probable thing that you're going to encounter for June 2020? The Hierophant. Now this can mean that you might be getting a new job offer, a marriage proposal, or anything to do with a large group or organization or some committee, some institute. Maybe you head towards higher education, so you get into an admission to an educational institute. If it's not that, then it's just that you trying to move towards you will be faced with a situation where you might have to conform to certain rules and regulations with regard to this community that you are a part of, or you will be becoming a part of. And this community is going to have some kind of expectations from you. This community can be your group of friends, this community can be your parents, your family members, your boss, your other colleagues, an educational institution, a religious institution, any community which you are a part of, with high expectations. So I believe that these two cards should be linked, since that has come from the family, and now after having taken that rest, recuperated your energies, taken a mature stand, things are taking time to come to fruition, but this is what's coming up for you in the near future, where there are going to be some people in authority and a community at large that you are a part of that are going to have some expectations from you, and you might have to conform to certain rules and regulations, which is again up to you whether you think it's for your own good and you should do it, or whether you shouldn't take it. So that is something that you would need to keep in mind. There could be a marriage offer, an arranged marriage, where people may try to bring two people together, or a job offer, anything, a community related issue which will come. And now let's see what you are behaving in this situation, Aquarius. Let's see the stance of Aquarius in this situation for the month of June 2020. You are building up the strength, because the situation has been rather difficult, and maybe some tough choices that you have had to make, some difficult decisions that you might have had to make, or in general a situation which requires expectations. Adhering to those expectations is what requires building up strength. So if you do have any negativities within you, it's very essential that you build up the strength, and you take the right course of action. Taking the right course of action, between the wrong and the right, you make one decision and you turn to move forward. There are expectations from people, you need to take a mature stand, but that all requires building strength. It is not possible for you to do that unless you are strong within yourself. So this requires immense amount of willpower, which you need to bring within you before you can move forward. Let's see the energies of your environment, which involves people around you, your associates, and family, or whoever the colleagues. So the environment around Aquarius, this is a beautiful card, Aquarius, because it just shows that people are really working hard to get to you. Whatever it is that you desire, whatever this situation is, it is, you are trying to build up the strength and willpower to go through it. But the people around you are rather working very hard on this, and they're quite determined to make it happen. In fact, they've already done quite a bit of things to impress you, to convince you to move in a particular way. But it's just that something is stopping you from accepting it. It's probably again because the situation shows that this is the rune of the Jera, which means that it's not your time for it to come to fruition. So you're taking a modest and humble approach. It's not follow your intuition and gut, and then use that energy to build up the self-confidence and the willpower, and start responding to this energy of the Eight of Pentacles, where people are working hard to impress you. People are working hard. So these people could be linked to this energy of the Hierophant, because they are also so this community at large, whatever it is, your friend circle, your family, the colleagues, your business associates, whatever this community is, they are pretty much working hard to get your attention. They are working hard to build something with you. to make something with you, and you seem to be just in a position where you are following your intuition, your gut, and you're thinking whether it is the right approach for you or not, and what direction you should take. So that seems to be your energy pretty much. Let's see what your hopes and fears are, Aquarius, for the month of June 2020. Hopes of fears of Aquarius. Um, Page of Cups. So expectation of your intentions are also to adhere to this. So in your heart you also want this situation to come to fruition. So whatever this environment is working towards, whatever the community at large is presenting before you, you in the heart of heart also want to reciprocate and experience those energies, and also want to cooperate. But if something is stopping you, you're still uncertain about something because of negativity of the past. There must be some situations and experiences which are asking you to be cautious, and for take time before you can make any decision. But in your heart you are very much in tune with this energy, and you want to cooperate with them. So that's a good thing. Let's see what your final outcome is, Aquarius, for the month of June 2020. Aquarius outcome for the month of June 2020. The Wheel of Fortune. This is an incredible card to get at this situation, which just indicates fate, it indicates destiny, it indicates karma. So it just is a fabulous card to get right now, because whatever the situation is happening, you need to understand that this has been caused by the universe. So it is just something that's going to take you by surprise. This is something that you need to finally accept, even though you are not certain about it, and even though it's going to take time. But till the time the wheel comes to full fruition, it's going to go in the direction that you want. Maybe not immediate results. The results will happen soon, but you are almost going in that direction. That is the direction where the universe is taking you. It is the direction of destiny. So you are going in a direction which is destined. So this energy is destined. Whether you take it or not is up to you. It's not the right time to go for it. So take your time, follow your intuition, be humble, stay naive, and just entire energy is to move in a direction which you feel right. So I think the main thing for you is to follow your intuitions. Wait for the right moment, don't jump into anything, build in your self confidence and the courage. And even though you have this desire, so why not make some affirmations where you will want to achieve these things. And if you want, you can, because the energies around you are positive, the environment is cooperating, and the universe is telling you that it's taking a turn for you in your best favor. So that seems to be pretty good, Aquarius. Now let's just pick some more cards for you for the month of June 2020 for Aquarius, for the month of June 2020. I don't read reversals, so we're going to stick to the King of Roses. Now, King of Roses, is this you? Or is this the person who is offering you the alliance? This is somebody who is a water sign, maybe a Scorpion, a Pisces, or just someone, a Cancerian, a water sign person, an emotional person who will be very well disposed towards you and will give you some offer of love and peace. Now, this offer can be something that you are expecting in your heart, or whether it's this love and offer that's coming from the environment. So that is something that we need to see. Give me some more messages for Aquarius for the month of June 2020. So this is still up in the air. Now this, whatever offer it is in your heart, or whether it's coming from there, is going to take time. So this marks again the Jera. See, these things get how beautifully and magically they get associated. This is going to take time. So you are still thinking, you are watching out for something, and you're waiting for this outcome, but this outcome is still beyond your reach. So it's going to take time for it to come to fruition. So this is still far away. So this still will take time. This building will take time. This is there, but this is here. The offer is far away, and there are still more events that need to be unfolded. There are still more things that need to be happen before you can actually accept this offer. One more card for Aquarius for the month of June 2020. So this is either a marriage, building a new home, a love offer, building a new business, a new job, whatever it is building a beautiful new environment for yourself, which comes with this offer, which is away from you, but this is what it is. This is the offer. This is coming from here, and this is what you want. But it's just going to take some time. So very well much in that zone, which is moving towards that. Pick two more cards for some energies for Aquarius for some guidance for the month of June 2020. Love begins. Could you ask for anything better? So this person offering you love, and this happy home is going to bring you love. Beginning of new love, a new relationship, and a new situation which is going to bring you immense happiness. But it's going to take some time, like I said, so always keep that in mind. One more card for Aquarius for the month of June 2020. Obstacles and challenges. Now these obstacles and challenges are something that is what is causing this delay, this distance. So that's, I think, human nature. Any situation that presents itself will not come without any obstacles and challenges. That's part of life, right? So now that you already know your entire energy levels, you know that the best way to approach these obstacles is through modesty and innocence. Remember, it's going to take time. You have to follow your gut and instincts. You will eventually get here, because that's what the universe is taking you towards. But so you have enough energy to face this, because you already know now that what this situation is going to bring forth. So eventual success, nothing to worry. You will be able to handle it. One last card for an angel guidance for my beautiful Aquarians for the month of June 2020. Okay, the Emperor once again, and see what it says. Stability and efficiency, taking charge of a situation and making ambitious plans. So this is the Emperor energy, and this is the guidance for you based on your situation, which says you need to use your stability and efficiency, take charge of a situation, use your leadership skills and maturity, and make ambitious plans, because it's not immediate fruition. It will eventually come to fruition, but by the time it does come, I think have patience and follow your intuition. Look forward to happy things, because it's going to get better for you. It's going to get beautiful, and stay positive and stay happy, Aquarius. I wish you a beautiful month of June. Please subscribe to my channel. I know these are general readings. I hope they resonate with you, and looking forward to your likes, shares and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Till then, have a great month of June. Bye bye.